What happened when you dispute a PayPal transaction? PayPal will place a temporary hold on all funds involved in this transaction until the dispute has been resolved. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to dispute PayPal transaction through Resolution Center. Alright, after you log in your PayPal account, you have to scroll down all the bottom and you can see that contact us. Click that link, contact us. Okay, going to page like that, then you can see community forum, resolution center, message center. Then you have to select the resolution center. I'm going to click that resolution center. Going to page like that, resolution center, we are here to help. Then report problem. Then you have to click that link, report problem. Okay, after you get page like that, you have to dispute which transaction we have to dispute. I'm going to dispute about Facebook. I'm going to click that Facebook and asking a report problem. You have selected transaction ID. Proceed to report a problem. Then I'm going to continue. After continue report problem, if you are still facing issue with this payment, let us know how we can help. I'm going to report issue with that PayPal. Okay, going to page like that. Let's get you started. First choose the issue are you facing with your purchase transaction account. This will help us understand your problem better and give faster resolution. Issues with your purchase: I have received the item or services. Asking so many questions, which one you have to select. Then select and you can continue your dispute. I receive an item or services that was different or not as described. So you can, if you buy eBay from PayPal, then you can choose any dispute. I wasn't satisfied with the seller website or product listing incorrect or doesn't exist anymore. I came across a negative review for this seller. I suspect my account is being used by someone else. I want to report lost or stolen card. Which one we want to dispute? We have to select and continue. I wasn't satisfied with the seller's offer. I'm going to continue this one. So example, I'm going to select this one. So select the item you want to report. Share more information about the item that have issue. Okay, asking item name, Facebook ad, item type, category, quantity, add another item, then continue. I don't have an issue with the Facebook, so I can continue this one. So example, I want to show you that I get that Facebook ad. There's a way how to dispute with PayPal through Resolution Center. Alright guys, that's about today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.